The Optimus Crux stove is an ultralight cooker that means serious business. Weighing under 3 ounces or 83 grams, it is one of the lightest and most compact stoves on the market. The Crux has a unique folding burner head, making it the only stove that can be stored in the unused space under your fuel canister. When used with the Optimus Weekend HE Cook Set, you will truly have all you need to prepare some fantastic meals. The Weekend Terra HE pot uses the new heat exchange technology, which increases the pot's surface area and means your water will boil faster. Though the Crux is extremely small and light, don't underestimate its cooking power. This stove can boil a liter of water in less than 3 minutes. Its fine heat adjustment lever allows you to simmer sauces and cook a wider variety of food without scorching. When you are done, everything packs up neatly until you are ready for your next gourmet masterpiece.
The legendary multi-fuel WhisperLite International has been the industry standard since its inception. Over that time, we have accumulated a significant amount of feedback and have been able to fine-tune it to be an even tougher stove to beat. The new 2012 model has been upgraded to deliver superior stability, lighter weight, easier maintenance, and greater overall performance. We brought these benefits forward to become the foundation of the new hybrid fuel WhisperLite Universal Stove, delivering market-leading performance and innovation. With patent-pending technology, we've created one of the lightest, most versatile hybrid fuel stoves available, offering uncompromised performance with canister fuel, white gas, kerosene, and unleaded gas. An included canister stand also allows it to run on inverted canisters for improved cold weather and low fuel performance. Both the WhisperLite International and WhisperLite Universal stoves benefit from new stamped stainless steel legs and serrated pot supports for stove stability and use with larger cookware. In addition, the stove legs are now fixed to the stove assembly, greatly simplifying the process of changing fuel jets and cleaning the stove. An aluminum burner tube reduces overall weight, and we've refined the geometry of the generator loop for even greater performance across fuel types. Building on this foundation, the WhisperLite Universal Stove adds the versatility of hybrid fuel performance, burning canister fuel as well as white gas, kerosene, and unleaded gasoline. Though a few other stoves can also burn a similar spectrum of fuels, none combine the advantages of low weight, excellent value, and consistently high performance into a single stove. We've taken a proven platform and made it even better. The new WhisperLite International and WhisperLite Universal meet our high standards for quality, reliability, and performance. The new WhisperLite Universal in particular expands on the platform by allowing the stove to operate in liquid feed canister mode, and it does so extremely efficiently with the use of our air control technology. With the added versatility and performance of these new stoves, even die-hard fans of the old WhisperLites are going to be excited about these new offerings.
Here's a quick guide on how to use your Coleman Classic propane stove. Always place the stove on a sturdy, flat surface. Open the lid and position the wind guards as desired. Make sure the pot support, which is the metal grate, is in place and both knobs are in the off position. Take the regulator and screw it into the stove until it is hand tight. Remove the plastic cap from the top of the propane bottle and screw the propane bottle into the regulator until it is hand tight. Make sure the propane bottle is tilted with the top facing up. Hold a lighted match or butane lighter near the burner and turn the knob so that the burner is on. Adjust the knob until the flame is blue with a hint of yellow on the tips. Repeat the previous steps to light the second burner. When finished, turn all burner control knobs to off, remove the propane bottle and regulator. Once everything cools, clean the stove, place the gold end of the regulator into the hole provided for secure storage, fold the wind guards, and store away. For more information, visit Coleman.com or download the Coleman app.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.